To transfer money from Zelle to Cash App, you need to have both Zelle and Cash App accounts. First, ensure you have the Cash App and Zelle apps downloaded on your device and that you are registered with both services. Next, link your bank account or debit card to both Zelle and Cash App. This is necessary because Zelle does not directly send money to Cash App, but rather to a linked bank account or debit card. To link your bank account or debit card to Zelle, open the Zelle app, go to Settings, and select Add Account. Choose your bank from the list of available banks, or link your debit card manually by providing the card details. To link your bank account or debit card to Cash App, open the Cash App, go to the Banking tab, and select Link Bank. Choose your bank from the list of available banks, or link your debit card manually by providing the card details. Now, to transfer money from Zelle to Cash App, have the sender send the money to your linked bank account or debit card through Zelle. Once the money is received in your bank account or debit card, it can be transferred to Cash App. To do this, open the Cash App, go to the Banking tab, and select Add Cash. Enter the amount you want to transfer from your bank account or debit card to Cash App, and confirm the transaction. Best practices include ensuring that your bank account or debit card is eligible for Zelle transactions and that you have sufficient funds in your account to cover the transaction. Also, be aware of any transfer limits or fees associated with both Zelle and Cash App. In summary, to Zelle to Cash App, link your bank account or debit card to both services. Have the sender send the money to your linked account through Zelle, and then transfer the money from your bank account or debit card to Cash App. By following these steps, you can easily transfer money from Zelle to Cash App.